Mango ice cream with just 3 ingredients. What are you doing with the mangoes this mango season? Me, I'm going to fill my freezer with ice creams. The first thing I'm going to do is to make condensed milk, and I'm just going to use sugar and milk. First, I will stir my sugar in the milk and let it dissolve before I turn the heat on. Yes, after it has dissolved, I'm going to turn my heat on, and after my milk has boiled, I'm going to keep on stirring at least for 30 minutes before my condensed milk is ready. Once my condensed milk is ready, I'm going to put it aside and let it cool. If you don't have all this patience, please just buy condensed milk in the market. After, I'm going to start now peeling my mango. I'm going to use apple mango. These mangoes, they just slap, I'm telling you guys. Then I'm going to put this in a blender, and this is how my condensed milk looks like. Actually, I just feel like it's too thick, but the taste is there. So I'm going to put this in the blender. Then I will also add a cup of milk in the blender, and I'm going to mix this all together until I have a fine, smooth texture. Yes, after this, I'm going to put my mixture in a container, and then I'm going to level it and then tighten it, put a lid on, and put it in the freezer. Actually, what I did, I came back and removed the lid and put a cling foil because I wanted it to have like this. You see the way it looks like right now? Yes. And at this point, my ice cream is ready, guys. Ever since I knew half of the things that I buy in store, I can make them at home. I'm just spoiling myself. So this is how easy it is to make this